Welcome. In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to adjust screen brightness on this laptop. So to do this, you can either use your mouse to click on the three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then move this slider either to the left to decrease the brightness level or to the right to increase it. Now the easier way to do this is by using your function keys. Now the function keys for decreasing and increasing your brightness level are F6 for decreasing and F7 for increasing. Now if these buttons don't do anything for you, press Fn button, which is located next to the Windows button, and press the escape button with it. And then try again. And after you use Fn escape combination of keys, you'll be able to use your F6 and F7 and all the other secondary functions of the function keys on your keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.